so I miss say over subscribe edit amamina face while clicking notification bell na basa update biano wo ena wudi kan ya wonsa ebeka bi and the video bi e che no homena e wo eye social media yi so fa TikTok, Facebook and then I say for there say e trendy and Ghana if ya hwehwe mu no kre no a ya fa bi a yesi e baby e di bi e ba beda mo kame ho na ye konkoshe any video e trendy e media no si bi embra.
An idiot who was praying for her mother, in fact, or her hair. An idiot who was praying for her mother to die, and the mother finally died. And it's the executive fan club on Suawu. If I talk about Paya Bombuman, they did the marless or your D4. They did the marless. Me say, me want the papa what we are saying. At the same answer that. Me who are the papa? We are sitting same answer that. Master when you the crowd, Master the mechi. Me who are the papa? We are say. At the same answer. Prophetess Alice. Me dono. Me bon paye mano. Me shrano. Me pai bon. Me nemu. Because say me Noah oh ma was papa obi la say get in Noah ko fani ma say onyame de wo ba be fie so say nyame anu when the stupid friends of my husband say hey na fie de obetimi aware no na message na ji ka say onyame ani monyamu bedadi e wo mabrabo muti no de wo yire apreme ma say one friend di rieda on friend the papa PSA empire me bon wa ono no onyame nhira wo aso papa onyame onye wadom na o so papa nothing can break your marriage, nothing will come in between. And then me pa say nyame was so papa to say malice. My mother-in-law is a very good woman. She's an excellent woman. They be a me bon pa say nyame shira me. Now me may have a woman my mother-in-law is. She's a prayerful woman. What that was your friend says sorry near Mompaye. Now my school you could wonder. Me de nyamia domio. Onyamia dome. Onyamia shamakuma munu wa hu me mom pop. Nenya mi kuno. Eyo mase. Eyo mase. A massive of fire, massive Alice. Now, Mama Alice, dear. Nanim Nechi or Batten be any water send my Kunumamio. Nanim Nechi, Ninchemu, or Batten be any one. And to me, Bompire, me Bompire send your mission. Nenya aso papa. I saw bit me a shiny kune or bukunanim. I catch and say, oh, yeah, me ban uncle who was a say. Now, when you have bank, I have an hour. See, I saw or do not compare the man. No, why you will buy your fan to I want to be a good because some man me a pay for. I want to be good because some mamma no so muja. Me must say, Prophetess Alice. Hey, Mamma so any money video. Prophetess Alice. Must say, only na munti bin kumino. Must say me mamma empire na kanguma. Na ye sheba. Onyame ndom wase papa wate. Onyame Onfonko dua busia omodo weye ba me ma se wo kan ma ya mfa masu wo fio masu wo baba bia wo ye de me hye wo enti wo kan ne ma o kan me ka ho nya me nya sa dom no ma o nya me hu mo bo be ma bia tie de ma me enti se wa say ka ho sempa or see your skin looks good and yes Susan Chanel me ntwa mo ntwa be ma bia tie de ma me enti se wa say eka ho sempa egu ne bana sumu a wani bechi as a woman you will be the happiest. You will be the happiest. May God give you the best mother-in-law. In fact, onyame wo hu mi mobo na me kuna me wan de yansa ni ma me bebie na no aka se go me mpe me ka me da toilet. Everything I am and more. Everything my husband gives, my husband, he worship me like his mother. Because he says his mother told him, Onyaminya was sad. Onyamima was so no more motowase. And so no more modo. And so no more moko to join you more. Over Kyle. Me said him to be a Marcianes. Oh, me so down. Oh, me so that. Mimi kuma me. And then mama. Oh, me so that. And comments, if you are no, me master was say, on ya made me be Gia for the new one. What else can your mother-in-law tell you? My mother-in-law makes me feel like the best thing that's ever happened in the world. You see, these things my husband don't even tell me. My mother-in-law tells me that I am the best thing that's ever happened on this planet. Unyamendongo asumbiena wo hwehwe se nyame ma waso te se me maame anesa osumba dwo ene na obi so twensa ne maame ewu I cannot trade my children for anything. But do you know who I can trade my children for? My mother-in-law. Because si akase obi do obi ewo na kuma mu ne yam na de nyina eye merciless. My mother-in-law loved me from the day she heard my name. Odo me eda oti mi din na mama Alice odo me don osi me de wo hye me yam na me de wa ka me ma. And I have a good husband because my mother-in-law is making sure. Apart from some answer what it in my year nani ensu di wo ma wa de echi. I'm the happiest woman alive because of my mother-in-law. And to go up, baby, pass a comment. And thank you for telling the world who my mother-in-law is. She's the gift God gave me. God didn't give me a husband. God gave me a mother. Yeah. God didn't give me. My husband is not a gift. The gift God gave me is my mother-in-law. Or it's me. Or church me. I'm not perfect, but I'm going there. I'm not perfect, but I'm going there. Me denya mi ase mami kunu. Me denya mi ase mama se. Se wonyame ama me hu ni papa sa. Kwase bi mami isu yensere. tree administrators, tornado nesu. Tornado na woni mi nyina akwa asore. Akobo mpa yesa ne mami wuno. O mami mama. Mon kore se tornado mami wuye no. Mo wuni si oba ko ne ase. Wo de nyame ase in a low key. Because Mami Afia kakraba mase nyame shira no onyame ade a mebusa mama se aye nkwatenten because sika owopi animunyam owopi enwosa owopi mama Alice ade a me shira nyame ma no Yakubu Dasiba apa be wula atoma be wula aye nkwatenten Senya me ebe shemase so. Masiti asia me mawale sorted. Me di bi nkwa mi kunni be bia ko because je me bia mase do me. Eda mi kunzu e babeni. Mi ku e babeni. Nti me aso beni. Mami a wuti so say tornado mami e kom ne kun no e kom aduane kom e kom meet me afred e kom ne kun mami no e kom hey
We see any video I trend on social media no so we dey say kalkum ye di goku na nkasa enu ye nyina di enya kwa kwhwa de e di aba adaroma kwhwe wi a chrewadwen efa emam na fin so share video no ma onu mi san so entumi enkabi mekram